Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to declare variables and constants. Now let's see how to declare global variable. To declare global variable, your variable should begin with a keyword global followed by variable name, and here I am assigned a value 10 to this variable. I am going to display the value of the variable using the message box function here. The value is I am using this concatenate operator to concatenate the string and followed by the value of the variable. I am just saving it. You can use a shortcut Ctrl+S to save your script. Now I am going to execute this. The value is 10 here. Now let us create a function. We will name this function as check, and inside this function I'm going to change the value of the variable to 20, and I'm going to end the function. Your function name should always begin with keyword func followed by the function name. If any of the arguments you are going to pass inside the function, you can do it so by here, and what the function does should goes inside the keyword func and end func, and your function should end with keyword end func. Here what I am doing is, initially I am assign a variable val1 to 20, and I am trying to alter this value to 20 inside the function. Let's save and execute it again. The value is still 10 because the function is not yet called anywhere in the script. So let's call the function by its name. If any number of arguments it contains, then you should pass the same here. In our function it's contains 0 arguments, so we use an empty parenthesis to denote it. Now let's execute and see what happens. The value is 20. It is changed because initially the value is 10, and after calling this function the value of variable changed to 20. And it is not necessary that your function should always falls below the function name. You can place the function anywhere in the script, and this check function will invoke the line inside the function anywhere in the script. Let's save and executing it again. The value is still 20. Now we will see how to declare a local variable. I am just replacing this variable val1 inside the function by adding a prefix local, and I am saving it. Let's execute it again. The value is 10 because initially the value is 10, and inside the function it changed to 20, but after it comes out of the function this value loses its scope. So this variable, this val1, take the value from this global variable. Suppose we will cut and paste it inside the function, and let's see what happens. The value is 20 because this variable 20 has its scope within this function, and only it loses its scope when it comes out of the function. Now let's see how to declare constant. Const variable should always begin with keyword const, so I am naming the variable as pi and assign value 3.14 to it. I am going to display the pi value using message box function. Just saving the script and executing it again. The value is 3.14. Now let's try to alter the value here, and I am assigning a value 4 to it, and I am saving it and executing it again. Let's see what happens. It is popping out an error by mentioning that cannot assign value to constant. So you cannot able to change the value assigned to a constant after you have initialized this constant variable. I am commenting out this and I am executing it again. It's working fine. So this is how you have to declare global, local variables and constant variables. Thank you.